Hello everyone, this is Leo, CEO of Line Paper. Welcome to our live sections from the Canton field. Today, I don't want to start by showing products because I know the biggest problem for you is usually not finding a notebook factory. You can find a lot in Canton field, right? The real problem is this. Can your supplier deliver consistent quality? Can they ship on time? Can they help you stay competitive on price without creating new risk? Can they support customization without making the process slow, expensive, and complicated? These questions matter to every growing business. At Line Paper, these past years, we have been upgrading our business around exactly these questions. So today, I want to show our core capability upgrade through 6 dimensions: Q, D, P, S, X, and ESG. Q means quality, D means delivery, P is price, S is solution and service, X is extensible customization, and ESG is how we help customers build a more responsible and low-risk supply chain. This is not just about what we make. This is about how we help you reduce risk, improve efficiency, and build stronger business results. So let's go straight into the first part, quality. The first dimension is quality. For buyers, the real question is simple. How do you keep quality consistent across different batches and different factories? At Line Paper, we answer is we do it through systems. The first system is our smart quality control brand, David and John GPTS. It combines our technical standards, SOPs, past inspection reports, problem case, and customer-specific requirements into one inspection logic. So, when an order comes in, the system can quickly generate a specific inspection checking list for what that exactly project. Not a generic checking list, but a project-specific one. It can include product checking points, color standard, packaging details, and even special requirements like no glue overflow. That means our team is not relying only on experience. We are working from the same standard. The second system is our T-Series full process inspection system that covers pre-production, in production, and post-production. We check before production starts. We inspect during production. And we keep records after production. So quality is not controlled only at the end. It controlled throughout the process. And because everything is digitally recorded, so we can track problems more clearly and spot risk easily. Earlier. For you, that means 3 things: more consistent quality, fewer missed requirements, and a more transparent production process. That is how we understand quality at Line Paper. The second dimension is delivery. For buyers, delivery risk usually comes down to the 3 questions. Do you have enough flexibility? Do you have enough capacity? Do you have the right logistic options behind the order? At Line Paper, we have enough upgrading all 3. First, we operate with a China plus Cambodia dual-based production model. China handles urgent orders, more complex process, and higher volume projects. Cambodia handles larger volume and more standardized orders. And most important, the two bases can support each other. That means we can adjust the production more flexibility and avoiding delays when schedules change. Second, we have been strengthening our capacity hard power, that including more modern machines, a stronger technical team structure, and reinforced outsourcing support. So, when you place order with us, you are not depending on one production line only. You are back up a broader production system. Third, we have built a mounting modern logistics system. We do not rely on a single shipping method. We choose and combine logistics options based on project. So we can protect lead time while also optimizing total cost. For you, that means more flexibility, stronger capacity support, and more reliable delivery. That is what delivery means at Line Paper. The third dimension is price. For buyers, price is never only about getting a low number. It is about getting a bad cost structure without paying for it later in quality or delivery problems. At Line Paper, our price advantage comes from two things. First, we now run a more mature China plus Cambodia, A plus B supply chain structure that allows us to place each part of the order in the right location and improve overall cost efficiency. For example, in one envelope and card project last year, we keep the same quality standard, but by moving the final packaging step to Cambodia, we reduce the total cost by 8 percentage points. Second, we have built a full chain cost control system. We manage cost from raw material purchasing to production and logistics. So cost control does not happen at one stage only. It runs through the whole process. For you, that means better pricing, stronger cost control, and fewer hiding risk behind the order. That is what price means at Line Paper. The fourth dimension is solution and service. One key upgrade at Line Paper is data-driven product recommendation. Instead of relying only on experience, we use Google Ads, Meta Ads, and other platforms to test market response to new product idea. We track signals like click performance, conversion response, audience interests, and trends directions. This helps us identify which products have stronger market potential before recommending them to the customers. So product selections becomes less about guesswork and more about data. This is one important way we created more value for our customers. The last dimension is extensible customization. At Line Paper, that means flexible customization. We can support different order size, different product combination, and different customer needs more efficiently. This is built on our modular production system. From the main product to extend items, customers can customize products in a more flexible way. That includes not only the core items, but also matching added-ons, packaging, and presentation details. We have also built a specialized customized order team, helping us shorten sampling lead time by 13%, and small batch production lead time by 20%. And with our one-stop customer sourcing service, we can support the full process, from the design to delivery. So, customization becomes faster, easier, and more particular for our customers. That is what X means at Line Paper. The final dimension is ESG. At Line Paper, we focus on two particular areas. The first is environmental responsibility in production. We pay attention to how materials are used, how waste is managed, and how our production process can be improved in a more responsible way. The second is corporate social responsibility. We place importance on a responsible factory management, a better working environment, and a more reliable long-term supply chain. We also believe responsibility goes beyond production. That is why we regularly donate notebooks and support charitable and non-profitable organizations. So, ESG for us is not just a concept. It is part of how we run our business every day. So, that is our capability upgrade at Line Paper. Better quality, more reliable delivery, stronger cost control, smarter product support, more flexible customization, and a more responsible way of doing business. We warmly welcome you to visit us at booth 9.3 C16 to 17 during the Canton Fair from May 1st to May 5th. If you cannot come in person, you can also connect with us on LinkedIn to get our full exhibition materials and product catalog. Looking ahead, Line Paper will continue to grow with our customers, strengthen our global supply chain capability, and build more efficient, more reliable, and more valuable partnerships. Thank you for joining us today, and we looking forward to seeing at the fair or connecting with you online.